My name is Francie and I'm a dual student. I'm working in the marketing department. My task is to build up marketing here in the US. I'm from Fulda in Germany. I attend DABW Heidenheim an der Grenze.
Hi, my name is Vincent Tran. I'm an electrical engineering intern here at EDAG. Here at EDAG, I help the lead engineers with their everyday tasks. I live in Troy, Michigan, and I attend Oakland University. Go Grizzlies!
Hello, I am Abdullah Ismail. I am an electrical engineering intern. I help the engineers in their tasks. I live in Dearborn Heights and I attend Wayne State University.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. I am currently a sales intern and I help the sales department through managing quotes and creating Excel sheets. And I currently live in Berkeley, Michigan, and I go to the University of Michigan.
Hey, my name is Nicola Rogers, and I'm an intern in the electrical engineering department. I work with the other engineers as they help our customers create high-tech solutions to the problems they're facing. I'm from Lawrenceville, Georgia, and I go to Georgia Tech.